Hello everyone, it's a scorching summer day here, and what better way to beat the heat than with a traditional Indian summer drink? Today, I'm diving into the world of Aam Panna, a refreshing beverage that's not only delicious but packed with flavors that define Indian summers. So, what exactly is Aam Panna? This vibrant drink is made from green mangoes, which are boiled, pulped, and then mixed with a blend of spices like cumin, jeera, and black salt. The result? A tangy, sweet, and sour drink that instantly cools you down. But Aam Panna isn't just about taste, it's also incredibly healthy. This drink is loaded with vitamin C and B, which are perfect for a hot day because they help protect your body against heat stroke and dehydration. It's not just a drink, it's a summer staple that keeps you energized and hydrated. Now let's get to the exciting part, making Aam Panna. The process starts with selecting the perfect green mangoes. They should be just the right amount of raw so the tanginess is at its peak. After boiling the mangoes, I mash them into a pulp, mix in the spices, sugar, and a pinch of salt. And there you have it, Aam Panna, ready to be served chilled. Here goes the taste test. Sounds of sipping. Ah, that hits the spot. The tanginess of the mangoes, combined with the hint of cumin and the refreshing mint leaves, makes for a perfect summer drink. It's like a burst of coolness with every sip. I can see why this drink is so beloved across India during the summer months. I hope you enjoyed discovering Aam Panna with me today. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more refreshing journeys like this one, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the taste of Indian summer around the world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!